It's safe to say now that the overselling, the panic, everything that we had, the fear and everything was for nothing, guys. The markets are recovering. Things things are going to be okay. If you are some of the people that panic sold within the last couple days, honestly, I am really sorry because guys, listen, this is exactly what they wanted you to do. It was just pure market manipulation. If you panic sold, if you sold the bottoms, then you definitely got wrecked. But hey, listen, the markets are recovering again, and these are some plays that I'm taking a look at. These are some of the moves that we made already for these markets. And this is how we're positioning ourselves for what is to come. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem that is out there in the markets, guys. So if you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that whenever I post a video or I go live, you guys get notified about it right away. And make sure you guys like this video so that YouTube pushes it out to more people on the algorithm. Now, without further ado, guys, I know you're all here for the same reason. Let's get right into it. The overall crypto market today having a bit of a recovery. It's looking good. Okay, Ethereum. This is a meme coin. This is a meme coin. This is an altcoin that literally went down to 3,500 in the last 2 days. If you guys bought that dip, I just want to say hats off to you, man. Because if you bought this dip at 3,500, you're already up $700 or $600 on your ETH buy, which is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Okay, and this is what I like to say. If you are in the right circles at the right time, you would have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not even millions of dollars, if you just bought when the people in those groups told you to buy. Guys, I can't emphasize how important it is to surround yourself with people who have been in these cycles for more than one or two, more than three cycles, or three is the most. Because myself, I've been in the market since 2017. Trust me, I've learned a thing or two. I know, and I've been through it, guys. It's easier said than done. Buy the fear, sell the greed. You never want to sell into the fear, guys. That is what we saw a lot of people do yesterday. We saw fundamentally that some things were shaky. We saw what happened, Trump and China. We saw what happens with a lot of short positions that were liquid, or sorry, a lot of long positions that were liquidated. And literally, guys, never over leverage yourself into these markets. The best part about leverage trading is that you guys don't have to do it. Okay, the honest reality of it is, I'm pretty sure, right? Leverage trading, Forex, the amount of people that actually win in that space is less than 3%. Okay, probably less than that number. Okay, but if you're a buy and hold long-term investor, you're probably going to make money if you just sit on your crypto for more than 4 years, especially if it's either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, and with the markets recovering, I know you guys are looking at, hey, Ro, what project should I be looking at? Hey, Ro, what projects do you think are going to do good? Well, in my opinion, Ethereum is still one of the best plays, okay? It is a hedge against your portfolio now. You're probably asking, what the heck is a hedge against your portfolio? Well, listen, yes, I think you should have lower market cap altcoins, lower market cap meme coins, but at the end of the day, the biggest position in your portfolio, this is how I allocate it, this is how I teach my students in my Discord to allocate it, is that you need to have a big hedge. Probably either 50% of your portfolio or 60% of your portfolio should be into either Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay? Depending on how much you have. Now, if you have, let's say, $1,000 invested in the crypto markets, obviously, guys, that's a different story. But if you're in a position where you have, let's say, 50,000 or 100,000, guys, a good majority of that should be allocated to either a bit of Bitcoin or a bit of Ethereum. Now, me personally, I'm all on board for Ethereum. I have been accumulating Ethereum since it was below $1,000, guys. We had a call in the beginning of this year where we bought into Ethereum at 1,500, I want to say. More or less, guys, just a very, very good price. And now we're seeing it at 4,121. And the importance of being a part of a community, this is what I want to say, okay? Look, if you guys were just a part of this Discord, my private Discord, you can see here a $10,000 buy-in for Ethereum at 3,700. Okay, this was yesterday at 5:38 p.m. This was October 11th at 1:22 p.m. It just dropped 20K more into Ethereum at 3,800. Now, guys, okay, you tell me how those buys are doing right now. One at 3,700, one at 3,800. Ethereum is sitting at 4,123, and I wouldn't be surprised if this rallies to new all-time highs within this month. I'm fairly confident that it's going to happen, guys. And obviously, those buys that I made with size is going to look like, obviously, a very smart play. So make sure you have a hedge. That is the main thing that you want to do. And then I would look at accumulating some mid-cap plays, some mid-cap meme coins. You got Toshi, you got Turbo. These are solid plays, right? Even some other base meme coins such as Brett. Again, fairly solid plays that you guys can get into. JYAI, a Matt Fury play. another solid option to get into. Midas the Minosaur, this is a project that's actually been holding really well, has a ton of liquidity within the project, which is insane, which is why it doesn't even crash that much. I mean, you can see here, guys, in the last 7 days, it's only down 5%. And in the month, it's up 48%. There's another good play. Grippy, which is another solid play. Right, in the month, it's up 631%. In the last 7 days, is down 36%, which is a really good buying opportunity. And there are so many more good projects that are actually out there, guys, that you need to be accumulating right now, especially considering the fear and greed index right now is at a 24. We're at extreme greed levels. Extreme fear levels. People are scared, and extreme fear is when you want to be buying. Extreme greed is when you want to be selling. Just a quick math lesson for you guys. And let's take a look here. Don't worry about China. It will all be fine. Highly respected President Xi just had a bad moment. He doesn't want depression for his country, and neither do I. The USA wants to help China, not hurt it. President Donald J. Trump. There you go, guys, okay? That should speak for itself. Breaking, the chances of 100% tariffs on China have dropped to 11% on Poly Market. Market panic sold for nothing. Right? Literally, guys. Those liquidations, all the people who got, I mean, some people got wrecked, guys. I heard that people were taking their life, which obviously is really sad. And my condolences for the people that took their lives. Like it's terrible, and for their families as well. Like, I just want to say, like, I am very, very sorry, but that is why I want to circle back to: do not let crypto consume you. Do not over leverage yourself into these markets, guys. No matter how much you look at it, it's easier said than done, right? At the end of the day, only invest what you are comfortable to lose. And the best part about leverage trading, guys, is that you do not have to do it. Okay. Imagine being a young man and not taking risks. Not only are you missing the chance of monumental improvement, but you're wasting a chance to hone a very important masculine skill: the unaided negotiation of difficulty. UND, risk more, win equal good, lose equal UND. Listen, guys, if you are young, if you are able to take risks, I want you guys to be able to do it, okay? Spend money on yourself, because when you spend money on yourself, that is probably the greatest investment that'll pay 100-fold, 10-fold in return, right? It's not about buying the right course. It's about, well, again, buying the right course is investing in yourself. Take care of your health, take care of your wealth, take care of your family. Do things for yourself, guys, that is going to get you further in life. And honestly, I think that is part of that is being a part of the right community. Surround yourself with people that you want to be like. Vice President J.D. Vance says President Trump is willing to be reasonable negotiator with China on tariffs. Listen, everything is going to be okay, okay? Do not panic sell. Everything is going to be fine. I strongly believe that, but obviously I'm not a financial advisor either, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys, and if that's work, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, guys.